All right, so we can also connect 2 by 2 multiplication to something that you've possibly seen before. So let's take our numbers. Let's take our number 37 and 43. All right. And what you can do is you can remember kind of the box method, right? All right. So remember that basically we're looking at 40, so 4 tens and 3, and then 30, 3 tens and 7. All right. So when we're looking at this, we can find the 4 products and then add them together and get the same answer. All right. So now that we know our zeros trick, 40 times 30. 40 times 30 is the same thing as 4 times 3, and then place the 2 zeros at the end. So 40 times 30 is 1,200. All right. 40 times 7. Using the zeros trick, cover up the 0. 4 times 7 is 28. You covered up 1 0, added back. So 40 times 7 is 280. All right. On this part, we're doing 3 ones times 30. So 3 ones times 30. Cover up the 0. 3 times 30 equals 9. We covered up 1 0, so the answer is 90. And then finally, 3 ones times 7 ones. 7 times 3 is 21. So let's try this. Let's add together 1,200, 280, 90, and 21, and see if we get the same answer. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 9 is 19. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So look at that. There's another way that you can do the multiplication. But check this out. We did the same math both times. You wouldn't believe it, but we really did the same math both times. The way that we did the same math both times. Check this out. All right. 3 times 7. Your answer was 21, right? There it is. All right. 3 times 3. Your answer was 9. But in this situation, we did 3 times 30. So there's our 9. But there's that piece too, right? So our other step, 4 times 7, which was actually 40 times 7, right? 40 times 7 and 40 times 7, 4 times 7 gave us our answer of 28. With this, we had to do 280 because we're doing 40 times 7 instead of 4 times 7. And then finally, 4 times 3. Here's the 4, here's the 3. It's actually 40 times 30, but we only have to do 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So as you can see, when you do the algorithm, you only have to do the multiplication fact. When you do the multiplication using the box method or the window method, you're finding the products for all those, but you're also having to keep track of whether you're talking about tens times tens or tens times ones. All right, with the algorithm, it's all in one place, but you can see the answer comes together both ways. This way, we had to do the tens times tens to get 1,200. Then we did the tens times the ones to get 280. And then we did ones times one, or what was this one? Sorry, we did tens times ones to get 90 when we did 3 times 30. And then with 21, we did 1 times ones. 7 times 3 equaled 21. So there are 2 different ways right there to get the answer to your multiplication problem. The algorithm, you only have to remember the multiplication facts. If you use the box method, you might have to use the zeros trick a little bit more. But there are 2 different ways to get your answer right there. You might even know of another way. But I just wanted to connect the things that you've done in the past. So you might have done this way in 4th grade. This is what it looks like in 5th grade. All right. So keep practicing the algorithm, and you will start to get to the point where you can do it, and it'll take less room and less space and less calculations, because really up here this takes less room than all of this, and it's a little bit faster once you practice it. All right, so we're going to practice it a lot this year. Okay, and we'll come back and take a look at 2-digit by 3-digit.